Resizing. In auto layout, we can set resizing options in two levels. One is for frame level and second one is for elements inside the auto layout. Select auto layout and in the right panel, frame section, you can see the resizing options. By default, horizontal and vertical resizing set to hug. Now, if we resize a frame, it will change to fixed width and fixed height. You can see space right and bottom side. If I change fixed to hug, now the extra space will remove and frame width change to the width inside the element. Now let's say if we want to change elements width based on the auto layout frame width when we change auto layout frame size.
Now let's say if we want to change elements width based on auto layout frame width when we change auto layout frame size. For that we need to apply resizing options to inside elements. Now I'm selecting yellow rectangle and change to fill content. Like that I'm selecting button and change hug to fill container. Now if I resize auto layout frame, you can see how rectangle and button width are changing based on parent frame width.